ना भाई टीचर खूब श्रद्धेय আমার কারোর উপর ক্রাশ নেই
नहीं गुरु भगवान समान
Second year there was a dance teacher. I don't remember the name.
मेरा क्रश तो पूरा सियासी फैकल्टी में है आई मीन वाली मैडम यार
Arnav sir. Minal sir and
Well, it's a very most inappropriate question to ask. So I would like not to comment on this one.
Excuse me, ma'am, you are my crush. And I will miss you the most. And wherever you are,
ম্যাম যেদিন ইন্ডিয়াতে ল্যান্ড করবে না এক একটাকে ধরে ধরে
wherever you are, be happy and.
best looking girl Arvita. Boy Arnav Lobo.
Boy is I think Orko in department. And girl is Arvita.
सब आरोहिता के नाम मेरे ऐश्वर्या
ज्योतिर्मय है. शीर्षो भी अच्छा दिखता है. लड़कियों में I will tell Deepika Shetty is good looking. चांदनी.
Boy Utpal Burman and girls I think everyone is looking
same answer आगे का जरा सारे
सेम आरोहिता
Best looking boy.
ज्योतिर्मय
Never because I was the one who most of the time did the assignment and everybody copied.
To be honest, I don't exactly remember, but it might have happened once with Shubhashish.
Every time.
In first and second year, I submitted every assignment. In third and fourth year, I submitted none.
I can't remember the number but I think it would be 5 to 6 times.
No, actually, the last time I submitted the assignment which I wrote myself was in first year. So after that, I don't really remember.
And lab में cheating मतलब not at all. I'm too scared to cheat. Can't disclose it. I will get less marks in my exam.
that will be disclosed after the 8th semester
लैब में चीटिंग मेथड्स এখন বলা যাবে না একটা ল্যাব বাকি আছে এখনো
भाई पेन ड्राइव लाया है क्या
बहुत बार किया है पास में जो बैठता है उसके उसे देख के सब लिख देते हैं
আমরা চিটিং করি না আমরা টিম ওয়ার্ক করি সেটাই আমাদের শেখানো আছে যার জন্য এই কোশ্চেন পার্সেন্ট আমরা নিচ্ছি বলতে সেটা টিম ওয়ার্ক সেটা চিটিং হলো না
TBMS and OS, I guess.
It is a OS because he like the teacher. Because he like the teacher also na.
Probably data structures.
Engineering graphics.
I think the DBMS.
I guess just
DS no doubt वो जो मैक्सिमम जाके पेয়েছি OS I like OS OS Maths चलो थैंक यू
सारा का सारा सब्जेक्ट जो डिपार्टमेंटल नहीं है आई मीन नॉन डिपार्टमेंटल सब्जेक्ट आई लाइक मोस्ट
Junior crush on Ranjika.
जूनियर पे यार भाई किसी को नहीं देखते. सीनियर पे देखे थे सौरभ कोठारी. सीनियर सौरभ कोठारी. Vishal. There is a long list. I will tell. There was a senior called Pranav Bhadani. I had a huge crush on him. For senior, it's Pranav Bhaiya. Senior पे crush था. That was Rohit Roy from BCA.
जूनियर भी पता नहीं शायद बैचमेट थी आई गेस हम फर्स्ट ईयर में थे एंड बीबीए या बीसीए की थी शायद कोई
A week.
I used to change my jeans once a month.
I think 10 days.
সপ্তাহে একটা করে পড়তাম
3 days in not including the year.
For 2 days.
আর 4 ইয়ার্স এখন পড়ে আছে 4 বছর ধরে একটা জিনিস চিন্তার কোনো কথা নেই
2 years.
I can say proudly that throughout my 4 years I have not wear, not a single day I have wear jeans. Nobody can say that.
Longest without bath, I bath every day except in winter. I bath hardly 3 days in a week.
36 hours. I guess 48 hours. These 2 days.
1 day
2 days, 1 or 2 days. 5 days.
Well, one more important thing. I have not gone for any hangout in 4 years. That's been an achievement for me.
Best hangout place, CC Bar.
Anyway. It's on City Center Mall.
Hangout city CC মাঠটা CC মাঠ না CC মাঠের পাশে মাঠ আছে
And the best hangout place will be common room for me.
I guess Princess Park.
Best hangout place is definitely the lab, especially during Edge and before preparing for Edge.
हम लोगों को क्या करते थे सस्पेंड कर दिए
The whole section was suspended for a week.
Never. Yes, the whole section was suspended. I think for a week twice in our whole 4 years, and I think we enjoyed those holidays.
See, the punishment for bunking, I have never bunked classes, so no punishment for me.
We have never bunked a class because our class was like that, so we have never been punished.
Bunking এর জন্য কোনো পানিশমেন্ট পাইনি, ছাড় খেয়েছি, বাট আমি একটা সাবজেক্ট সার্ভার দিয়েছিলাম বলে এনসিআর আমার ক্লাস থেকে বার করে দিয়েছিল।
Guardian बोला हमें क्यों आई they didn't turn up to that test.
Punishment नहीं मिला हम लोगों को. Just simple आते थे कुछ डांट पान मिलती थी that's it. और कुछ नहीं.
Severe punishment for donkey. We will count the punishment. এত বাম করেছি যে পানিশমেন্টও বাম হয়ে গেছে।
The Department of Techno India.
It's like a second home to me. All the teachers are like family, friends, everybody is like our brothers and sisters. So CSE department in one word is just a family for me. My second family.
CSE department is the soul of Techno India.
Best department in Techno India.
Well, this is the most vibrant department of Techno India, so there is no doubt about it. And yeah, I'm very thankful to all the teachers for their awesome guidance and their care that they give to us. Thank you.
I have only 2 girls. Life's changing.
Well, it's the best department in Techno India and CSE rocks.
CSE rocks and everybody thug life. Thug life. Yes, thug life.
2 lines is very less to describe about CSE department. The best student-teacher, junior-senior bonding. Being one day that CSE Techno India is known by CSE department. Okay. That's all I would like to say.
Although I have enjoyed my college a lot, have great friends.
There are many memories, especially departmental picnic, I guess.
Well, many, but all the CSE meets and the last picnic we had, that's the best.
CSE United, but
फर्स्ट ईयर में स्ट्राइक के समय मैं पूरा रात कॉलेज में बिताया.
स्ट्राइक हुआ था, हम लोग रात के 3 बजे कॉलेज में थे और कबड्डी खेल रहे थे.
Best college memory will have to be Edge 2014. Edge 2014 was an amazing experience.
Edge. No doubt. Edge. At college. Edge.
I would say all the time I've spent with my juniors and my batchmates, especially the time when bunking classes, walking from college to Karnavai. Crush, never. एक भी ढंगा लगा नहीं है. कोई लायक ही नहीं क्रश कर रहा है, प्लीज.
बैट्समैन पे क्रश ना.
अभी तक नहीं हुआ, not yet.
Entire basement यार, सारी लड़कियां एक ही हैं. पूरा CSE.
Batchmate में crush, I have several. And
We need names.
One of them is socially that.
Harsha.
सागर का प्रिया मंडल
আনন্দার উপরে আছে, জয়শ্রীর উপরে আছে, ওদের উপর ছিল এক সময় যেদিন যারা আমার ভালো বয়ফ্রেন্ড আছে সেদিন থেকে সরে গেছে, আর করছে না, 3 থেকে গেছে।